characterized by a high-pitched whistling sound during breathing, is a symptom often associated with certain respiratory conditions such as asthma or bronchitis. The presence of wheezing suggests potential airway obstruction, where the flow of air through the breathing passages is restricted. This audible indicator should not be ignored, as it may signify an underlying issue that requires medical attention. Individuals experiencing wheezing should seek prompt evaluation from healthcare professionals to determine the specific cause and receive appropriate management.